Today we talk about how can you enable show active communities on your Reddit app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this photo, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on my profile here. So when you click here on my profile, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click on edit. So when you click on edit here, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So then you come here to show active communities, clicking this sign. Then like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean show active communities enabled with us now here. Go above save, click on it. So then it's going to save with us here on your Reddit app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.